What if the 30 seconds you just spent watching a short was a secret to unlocking your channel's growth? Here are 5 ways to find inspiration for your first YouTube short, from exploring trending audio to trying out templates. Let's get into it. Number 1, remix. Creation doesn't happen in a vacuum. Often the best way to learn is by watching and then doing. When I'm watching my favorite videos, there's always a little voice in the back of my head talking through all the creative ways I could iterate on it. Maybe it's commentary, a response, a creative rendition, a remix. With YouTube Shorts, underneath an eligible video, there's a button that lets you do just that, and with a few options. You can use the sound from the video, which is great for dances, memes, and animation. There's collab, which puts your content and the video together on the same screen. There's green screen, which turns the video into a backdrop for you to add your commentary or analysis to. And cut, which allows you to use just a segment of the video with space for you to build on the discussion or just do your own thing. Tip 2, let trending audio be your guide. Ever had a song stuck in your head all day after scrolling shorts? That's not an accident, it's a clue. Instead of starting with a video idea, why not try starting with just a sound? Browse the audio library and listen to what's trending. The sound itself may spark an idea for a skit, a transition, or a story. To find a sound that inspires you, just tap Add Sound at the top of the Shorts camera and explore what's on the trending list. Number 3, explore using hashtags. Every community on YouTube has its own hashtags, whether it's hashtag booktube, hashtag cleanwithme, or hashtag learnonshorts. Tapping on these hashtags takes you to its pivot page, which is a goldmine of ideas. You can see what's popular in your niche and find formats that you can make your own. Number 4, use a template. Some days there's time for smooth and precise edits, but some days... Templates are perfect for beginners who are still learning how to paste their edits, or for anyone who just wants to create something great fast. The timing, the cuts, the music, it's all done for you, so you can focus on the fun part. When you see a short with a format you like, just look for the Use This Template button. Tap it and replace the clips with your own. Number 5, take your research more in depth on the YouTube blog. If you really want to stay ahead of the curve, go straight to the source. The official YouTube blog is constantly publishing articles on emerging trends, new features, and creator case studies. It's a great place to get a high-level view of what's happening on the platform so you can find your own unique way to join the conversation. Now, pick one of these tips, hit record, and post that first short.